Dahil lagi ako nagkakape dito sa Starbucks, marami na akong naipon. Ngayon, gamitin natin yung points na yon para makakuha ng kape. Okay, let's go. So, kilala na nila ako dito kasi dito yung tumbayan ko. Ngayon, gagamitin natin yung points natin. Yan. 1,745. Para hindi na tayo maglabas ng pera. Ganyan pag wala na tayong pera. Kailangan gamitin na natin yung points natin.
Yeah, can I have one caramel macchiato, please? The big one?
Big one?
Yes.
You have the new one, the Xiaomi.
I know, it's just an honor.
Is it good?
Yeah, the camera is very, very good.
Yeah, because I see this one and I was mistaken. What is one?
You have to try. Maybe can I use my points, please?
Yeah, of course you can.
Thank you.
Yeah, you will have still you have three.
Almost 3.
Yeah, that's it.
That is.
So, yun. Napak ko na. Thank you so much. What's your name, please? Alize. Nice to meet you. Yeah. Nice to meet you. Thank you. Bye. Yes. Ayun. Kilala na ako dito sa SB. So ito na yung points. Yan. At kaya let's go. Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-iwan ng bakas dyan sa baba. Baka ikaw din masundan ko. Pa-follow back. Let's go. Baka mabigyan pa kita ng pang merienda mo.